Well, today's video is going to be short and simple. It's going to be a how to fix an issue video. I ain't going to show you exactly how to fix it, but I'm going to explain to you what the issue was and how you can deal with this yourself, the symptoms and all that. So if you got a Mercedes that's running a little bit hot, you can't figure it out, or you got a Mercedes, when you turn the heat on, it's running extremely cool. Okay, it's the same issue. It's a thermostat. I'm going to explain to you exactly how this works, okay, so you know. Okay, so when the thermostat's stuck open, it can't regulate water. You know, the water just like a dam, you know, it just goes right through it without the dam being closed, you know, it can't back up. So when you got the heater on, heater one cool, but anyway, when you got the thermostat all the way open, on some cars, most all cars I have seen, especially newer ones, the water moves so fast because the cooling system's so efficient on them that they can't cool off in the radiator. That's this big thing right here that your water goes through. You can see it down here, got fans attached to it, sometimes a clutch fan. But it can't, you know, it can't cool off. So this water goes super fast through your radiator and the air don't have time to cool it off. So your Mercedes-Benz or Mazda or newer model car, even some old school cars, depending on the cooling system, they overheat a little, sometimes a lot. Sometimes you drive them for an hour and they boil over. Thermostat's stuck open. Another way you can tell it's stuck open is you turn the heater on. Okay, it's winter time. That's how I found out this one was running a tad bit hot. But this is my first Mercedes ML. I thought it was might be normal, but no, it's not. Trust me, I about froze to death when I turned the heat on. So the heater turns on. You got a valve that's in your coolant system. It don't let nothing on the newer cars travel through the heater core. So when you turn the heater on, that valve opens. So now you got a little mini radiator inside your cabin. That's what the heater core is, basically a mini radiator. Now you got more radiator fluid going through that, so it has to travel longer. You got another radiator. So now not only did the fluid, since it's got to travel longer, flow down because it's got a new bunch of hoses that got to go through. It's got a heater core and the circulation. It just, you know, got a whole new way to go. So what happens is you got a fan blowing on that heater core too. So you got double the cooling, and now the radiator fluid is flowed down a lot. So the temperature drops, it plummets. It's like extremely cold. Like you go from running hot to not hardly any heat. So that's the #1 symptom of a thermostat that's stuck open. It's better to have one stuck open than stuck closed, because water don't go nowhere. If it's closed, it blows hoses, overheats, sometimes destroy your engine. So if you got one stuck open, try to deal with it as soon as possible. I'm going to tackle this and then make a video on it here soon. I got to buy one, which it's being a Mercedes, I ain't found a place with them in stock, so I'll probably order one. I want a good quality one because you don't want junk thermostats. So don't get on eBay or Amazon and buy the cheapest one you find. Go to your parts store if you can, or buy a good quality one off of the internet, a name brand one. Do your research. Thermostats are important. So hopefully this video and information was helpful. If it did, drop a like, leave a comment. If you had any issues like this and it wasn't a thermostat, what was it? But this is the primary cause of overheating, kind of just a little or sometimes a lot. And when you turn the heater on, you get, you know, temperatures just bottom out. So thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. I appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next video. Also, if you want to show me a little extra support, check out my eBay store. There's some tools on there. All kinds of different items. It's in the description. You don't have to. Money's hard to come by. A like and a comment means a lot for me. And it also helps you watching this video. So thank you again. See you next time.